In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deconstruct a car model and view its internal details using Nano Banana. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press enter. From the search results, click the official Google Gemini website. This takes you to the workspace where we'll access the image creation tool that powers Nano Banana. Once you're in, look for the Create Image button and click it. This opens the Nano Banana canvas, which is designed to generate visuals from text prompts and reference images. Next, click the plus icon to upload your reference image. Choose a clear photo or render of the car you want to analyze. For best results, use a high-resolution image with good lighting and minimal background clutter. A clean side, front three-quarter, or top view helps the system understand the geometry. Make sure you have rights to use the image and avoid photos with sensitive details. Now it's time to craft the prompt. In the text box, type, "Show the deconstruction of what's inside this car by details." This tells Nano Banana to create an exploded style view, separating the exterior and internal components so you can see how everything fits together. If you want to guide the style or level of detail, you can add short clarifiers right in the same sentence, such as asking for a detailed breakdown or a clean layout. Keep the wording direct and specific so the model interprets it clearly. When your prompt looks good and your image is attached, click Submit. The system will process your request and generate the deconstructed visualization. Depending on the image size and complexity, this may take a moment. When the result appears, review how the body panels, chassis, powertrain, suspension, interior, and other assemblies are separated. You should see a layered, readable arrangement that makes each subsystem easy to identify. If the output feels crowded or too minimal, refine the same prompt with small adjustments, like requesting more spacing between parts or greater emphasis on a particular area such as the engine bay or cabin structure, then submit again. Small edits often make a big difference in clarity. That's the entire workflow. Go to Google, search for Google Gemini, open the site, click Create Image to activate Nano Banana, upload your car image, write the prompt, and hit Submit. Follow these steps and you'll be able to deconstruct a car model and view its internal details in a clear, informative visual using Nano Banana.